If you've been curious about using Retell AI for your business or freelance work, this video will guide you step by step, from sign up to having your first voice agent call up and running. Stick with me until the end, and if you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides and tutorials. First, head to Retell AI and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, start by creating a new voice agent project. You'll be asked to provide basic information like your business name, language, and what you want the agent to do. For example, answer customer questions, schedule appointments, or qualify leads. Next, prepare your scripts or prompts. Think about the most common questions or calls your business handles, then write a simple, natural-sounding script. This helps the AI understand context and give clear responses. You can also customize voice tone, friendly, professional, casual, depending on your brand or audience. After that, configure call settings, link the agent to a phone number or telephony service, set business hours or availability, and choose what should happen when the AI doesn't understand something, like sending the call to a human or giving a polite apology message. Save your settings and run a few test calls to check how the AI handles real-life conversation flow. Finally, review performance and adjust. Listen to test calls. Note where the AI misunderstood or gave awkward answers. Then tweak your scripts or prompts. As you get comfortable, integrate the voice agent into your workflow for lead generation, customer support, bookings, or FAQs. Starting with Retell AI isn't complicated. With just a few steps, you can go from sign-up to a functioning voice agent, saving time and adding automation to your business. If you liked this guide, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.